Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting the physical card and receipt for damage or tampering. Confirm the code is unused and matches the card numbers on the receipt. Verify the balance by opening Play, Google.com/redeem or the Play Store app on your device. Ensure your Google account country matches the card country before redeeming. Note the purchase date and keep proof of purchase like a receipt or emailed order confirmation. If the code still fails, take a clear photo of the card front and receipt for support. If you see an error, first sign out and sign back into your Google account. Clear the Play Store cache by going to Settings, Apps, then Storage and clearing cache. Retry redeeming the card code on a stable Wi-Fi network to reduce connection issues. Confirm your account country setting matches the card country and change it only if eligible. If errors persist, take a clear photo of the card code and your receipt for a support claim. Keep the original card until the issue is resolved. Open the Play Store Help Center and choose Contact Us to start a claim. Select gift card or promo code and follow prompts to submit a support request. Attach clear photos of the card front, code area, and the original receipt or emailed proof of purchase. Describe the exact error message and the steps you already tried to fix it. Expect a response within several business days and monitor your email for updates. Keep all purchase records until the issue is fully resolved and funds appear in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.